Hi guys, welcome to this Spark AR tutorial on how to use the mouth tracker patch asset to accurately detect and track lip and mouth movement. You can use this effect to create games and experiences that are activated or triggered by the position of mouth and lips. Okay, so here we go. We will start by first importing the patch asset into the patch editor. The link to get this mouth tracker patch is mentioned in the description below. Once you've imported it, drag it into the patch editor. When you do that, Spark AR will raise an error. But don't worry, it's normal because we have not yet connected the input and output to this patch asset. This patch asset has 6 inputs, which are screen scale, screen size, the top, bottom, right, and left lip landmark. And it has 4 outputs for the collider, which are the height, width, the 3D rotation, and the 2D position of the collider. So to track the lip movements, the lip positions, we need to insert a face tracker. We will drag this into the patch editor. To accurately measure the lip landmarks, right-click inside the patch editor and type mouth in the search panel. The mouth patch takes face as the input and outputs the landmark positions, the 3D landmark positions of the upper, lower, left and right corner of the mouth. We will connect the face to the input of the mouth. As you can see, we have the 4 output landmarks of the mouth patch. Now we will add 4 null objects as the child of the face tracker. Copy and paste the null object 3 more times and rename it to top, bottom, left and right. These null objects will track the positions of the lip landmarks. Once you've added these null objects, drag their 3D positions into the patch editor. We will connect these 3D positions respectively to each output of the mouth patch. To check if it is working properly, momentarily delete the lip collider patch asset, restart the experience, and you can see that each null object is being tracked accurately as per the lip landmarks. Our work with the face tracker is done here. We will move the face tracker patch aside for the time being. Now we will re-import the lip collider Spark AR patch asset into the patch editor. We need to create producer patch for each of these 4 landmarks. We can either do that by clicking on create or directly dragging the null objects into the patch editor. Now we need to input this to the respective lip landmark positions of the collider patch asset. Then we need to create a producer patch for the device and input the screen scale and screen size to the patch asset. This concludes all the input positions of the patch asset. Now we will add a 2D rectangle object which will act as the collider for this experience. We will rename it to Lips Collider. We need the width, height, 3D rotation and 2D position of this Lips Collider 2D rectangle. We will input this from the properties panel. This will directly bring that inside the patch editor, and then we will connect it respectively to each of the output of the patch. Once that is done, our lip collider experience will be ready. You can restart and play it. As you can see, the lips and mouth are being tracked in real time accurately along with the size of the mouth. You can also check out my 2D collision patch asset video from the link above. You can use that patch asset to easily detect collisions between two 2D objects. Please subscribe to my channel to get updates about more such patch assets. And do let me know in the comments below if you want to make any specific patches for your use case. Thanks for watching and have a good day.